to find the loudest tease. We set down by the fire, knowing we could aim higher, but we didn't know that yet. So if you want something to hold on to, gotta find it first. But here I am, 'cause I've been laying under palm trees, waiting for the summer, knowing there's nowhere to go. 'Cause I am happy on this island, wanna be my farmland. I don't ever want to leave, I'm in a tropic club.
Oh my god. 7x7 installs. The 5x5 installs. The 4x4 installs. The 3x3 installs. The 2x2 installs. 3 wings on the 6x6. That's all.
I remember the ocean, memories die out too hard. But we were traveling the mountains just to find the loudest tease. We sat down by the fire, knowing we could aim higher, but we didn't know that yet. So if you want something to hold on to, gotta find it first. But here I am, 'cause I've been laying under palm trees, waiting for the summer, knowing there's nowhere to go. 'Cause I am happy on this island, wanna be my farmland. I don't ever want to leave, I'm in a tropic club. I'm in a tropic club.
Right there.
Wait, can you solve that? Yeah. Why? I mean, I just peeled the stickers off, personally, huh? Bet you never heard of anyone who's ever done that before. I'm really original. Alright, you ready? Yeah, look me in the eyes. Look me straight in the eyes. Yeah, I started your inspection like 7 seconds ago. Are you ready?
Okay. Yeah.
I like the way you're looking at me. That's a DNF. Diane, that solve was way long. How long was that? I gotta say though, those were some pretty fang-shi finger tricks. I'm sorry, I'll stop. Please don't outsu. Hey, do you mind if I eat a banana while you solve?
Yeah, it's okay.
Alright. Ready?
もうすぐさ、アホードセレモニーがあるから、
Henry? This is the blindfolded round?
No, it's not.
Yeah, it is. I lied again. DNF. 8 seconds. All right. During the solve, there is one thing that I have to do. You know what that is? No. I have to do the Harlem Shake.